Hello everyone. So today we are going to see a program that is find a resultant array after removing all the anagrams from a list. So we'll be given a list of word and we and the examples are ABA, ABB, ABAB, ABBA, CD. So the conditions are uh, it is successful here. So I'll go for this description. So the condition is the word length is like such that it is I is 0 to length of word. If I minus 1 and I or anagrams, then you need to delete I. That is the next one. If you are comparing 1 and 2, you need to delete 2 from the words. So you need to keep performing this condition until it satisfies all the elements, and then after running it, this word list has to be run after perform all the operation. It can be shown that selecting the indexes of each operation in an array operating order, which leads in a same result. And an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different words or phrase using the original letter. So you need to like remove all the anagram words from the list, and you will be like having only the first word that is occurring, that is I minus 1. And if I is also an anagram, then you should also delete that I word. So the explanations are given here. The word to BBA and word 1 BABA are anagrams. So we choose index 2 and delete word 2. So now since ABBA and BABA, it's there. So word 1 and zeros are taken. So ABBA or anagram, we choose index 1 and delete word 1. That is, we need delete the second. And for CD, we take and we delete the second CD. So the remaining strings are ABBA and CD. So the inputs will be given here like this. Word lengths are given that is 100, so it is very less. And how I solve this program is like I have created an empty list and I have created an empty dictionary and an output array. Okay. So first what I did is like have entered like index positions. So first index to first first word and second index to second word. So I have created a dictionary, and what I did is I created a dictionary called this. So then I need created a new dictionary like which contains a sorted array. So if you need to remove the anagrams, then anagrams are like words which have a same occurrence of characters but not increase or decrease in length. So if we sort and compare now, then we can able to remove all those duplicate anagrams. So we'll be remaining with only one anagrams. So what I did is like I have created a new dictionary, and I have taken the word from this dictionary and have sorted it, and I have then again merged it, and I have added this in the new sorted word in the word I in new dictionary. So that is, you can see it here, the second dictionary which has a sorted word. So all the cases will be like same. And then the last condition, if for while this is running from y to n, so if word 1 and 2 are like I'm comparing with this dictionary now, then you can, I'll say why I have used this index 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 and all. So it'll be like a playing a very important role at the end of this part. So if I compare this, I'll be like changing this new dictionary to a new list. So I'll be creating this new dictionary to converting this to a list. So I'll be running this list. So I'll be comparing first word and the second word, that is I. It is both same. We can even take I minus 1 and I. So I have taken as I and I plus 1. So the length will be decremented to 1. If you take an I minus 1 and I, so then the index position will be 1. And then the word length should not be same. Like the loop can run up to length of list. So if the word 1 and 2 are same, then you need to remove the second word, right? And then the I can be incremented. So until and unless I will be keeping this flag as one. If else, like you have a condition A, B, and C, D, so that is not an anagram. So you need to like make the flag a 0, and you need to increment the array. So you need comparing the array at that time. So if what I did is like if you find an anagram in this list now first two words, then the flag will be one. And then what I did is like I have if else part won't work, right. So if the flag is one, then the index of question will be 0. So it will be comparing from first. So the loop won't go till the last until and unless that it will be removing all the elements from the first itself. So this while loop will be running a number of times until and unless it will be like removing all the elements from the first itself. So the list will be printed here. So for every instance, I have also printed this I and I plus 1. So it was comparing first and two, and then second and third, first and second, and it is removing, and then first and third, I think, and it has removed a third, and then it is comparing with 1 and 4. So if 1 and 4 is are false, then it moves. See, it moves. So the index position is changed. If it is an anagram, then see the index position is not changed. That it is kept as 0. So for this only, I have added a flag here. So that is the purpose of this flag. So this condition is false. Then what is required now? Then we need to print this remaining dictionary as a list, right? So these function is for that. So I'm just taking that key value pair from that is. So you can ask like why I have added this index position 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. So if it is sorted now, then see sorted array is like the output sorted list I am having is A, B, B, and C, D. So if I'm searching for A, B, then the occurrence will be like see nothing is found here. So what I'll do is like this A, B is that the first element of the original dictionary. So it is like that. So for this only, I have added an index portion, like I have used this dictionary here. So you can say that this A, B is an element from the original dictionary, that is first element. So this is sorted. So we won't be like having this here as a high priority. So we'll be taking this element. So this is the first element, and this is the fourth element. So I'm just appending the first element and fourth element with respect to the original dictionary that I have created at the top. So I'm just appending it like so. First element will be A, and the fourth element is like A, C, D. So it will be like filling all those conditions. So this is from letcode.com. So you can also find a number of problems here. Um, Similar questions, related topics, and doesn't have any what to say conditions and all. So some questions will be like having you need to finish this in O of n O of n times itself. So this question doesn't have any conditions at all, even though like it is like having I have used for O of n, O of 2n, O of 3n, I think so. So O of 3n and O of 4n. So it is also like O of n. O of 4n is also like O of n. So that the constant values and all, it will be depending upon the processor that you use. So if I submit, what I will get, what I'm getting is like our runtime is 82 millisecond faster than 52.9 for 53% of the Python 3 online submissions, and memory usage is 14 MB, that is less than 32%. So if it is more than 50%, then you can easily like our runtime is like very way much better than the others. And if the memory usage is less than then it is like if it is 30%, then you used very much of its memory, which is 14 MB. That is very much higher. But dictionaries are like having a high. We have used two dictionaries and one, I think, two list. so which contains every element. So that might take even more high runtime. Memory spaces. We can't even remove all those things. So this is a question is called finding the resultant array after removing all the anagrams from the list. Thank you.